Hello, in this video I will show you how you can speed up or slow down video on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the Google Photos and right now open the video that you want to change the speed. Go to the edit and in the video section you are able to find the speed feature, and here you are able to select the moment that you want to speed up or slow down, and after that you can adjust the speed over here. So right now, if I want to, for example, speed up only this moment, I am able to do that because I selected that. As you can see, that was the 4 times faster this moment, and after that this is the normal velocity, normal speed of this video. Also, you can of course change you can slow down of course video by using this, and after that it will be slowed down only in this moment. If you are want to change the speed for entire video, you can just use this slider for this entire slider, and after that select the speed that you want. Now click done over here and save copy. And that's basically all for this video. You are able to find it in the gallery. Thanks for watching and subscribe.